Evolution of audio communication. Speaking tube, 17th century. Description. A speaking tube is a hollow pipe that carries sound from one end to another. It was commonly used in ships, buildings, and homes so people could communicate over short distance without shouting. How it works. Sound travels as vibrations through the air inside the tube, guiding the voice directly to the listener. Telegraph, 1837. Description. The telegraph was the first device to send messages over long distance using electrical signals. Messages were sent in Morse code. How it works. Electrical pulses are sent through wires. These pulses represent dots and dashes that form letters and words. Brand, Western Union. Price, $30 to $50. Inventor, Samuel Morse. Telephone, 1876. Description: the telephone made it possible to transmit the human voice through electrical wires in real time. How it works. The microphone converts sound into electrical signals, which travels through wires, are converted back into sound by a speaker. Brand: Bell Telephone Company. Price: $20. Inventor: Alexander Graham Bell. Radio communication. Description: radio communication allowed signals to travel wirelessly using radio waves. How it works. Audio signals are converted into radio waves transmitted through the air and received by antennas which convert them back into sound. Brand, Marconi Company. Price, $50 to $100 range. Inventor, Guglielmo Marconi. Vacuum tube. Telephone system, 1915. Description, improved long-distance telephone communication using amplification. How it works. Vacuum tubes amplify weak electrical signals so they can travel longer distance without losing quality. Company, AT&T. Price, $100 plus. Inventor, Lee DeForest. Walkie-talkie, 1937. Description, a portable two-way radio used for wireless communication. How it works. Voice is converted into radio signals transmitted through the air and received by another device tuned to the same frequency. Brand, Motorola. Price, $100. Inventor, Donald Haynes. Rotary dial telephone, 1940s. Description, a telephone that uses a rotary dial to input numbers. How it works. Turning the dial sends electrical pulses corresponding to each number, connecting the call. Company Bell System, price $15 to $25. Inventor Almond Brown's push button telephone, 1963. Description, replaced rotary dialing with keypad buttons. How it works. Pressing buttons generates tone signals (DTMF) that are sent through the telephone system to connect calls. Company Bell System, price $25 to $35. Inventor the Bell System. Mobile phone, 1973. The first portable phone that allowed wireless communication anywhere within network coverage. How it works. Uses radio signals to connect nearby cell towers which route the call through a network. Brand, Motorola. First model, Motorola Dynatec 8000X. Price, $3,995. Inventor, Martin Cooper. Cordless phone. A wireless phone used within a limited range at home. How it works. Communicates via radio signals between the handset and a base station connected to a landline. Brand, Panasonic AT&T. Price, $100 to $200. Inventor, Dr. Raymond Phillips Sr. Digital mobile phone, 1990s. Introduction digital signals, improving quality and adding SMS texting. How it works. Converts voice into digital data, compresses it, and transmits it through cellular networks. Brand, Nokia, Motorola. Price, $500 to $1,000. Inventor, Martin Cooper. Smartphone. This description. Combines communication with internet, apps, and multimedia features. How it works. Uses cellular networks and internet protocols to transmit voice, video, and data globally. Brand, Apple. First model, iPhone. Price, $499. Inventor, Steve Jobs. Internet calling, or VoIP. Description, enables voice and video calls through the internet. How it works. Converts voice into digital packets and sends them over the internet instead of traditional phone lines. Brand, Skype, Zoom Communications, and many more. Price, free to subscription based. That's all. Thank you.